Nothing is going to happen in this video. No twist, no reveal, and no before and after. We've been trained to believe that attention comes from events. Something must happen or something must change. But that's not actually true. Let's get into it. Most edits fail not because nothing happens, but because the editor doesn't know why the viewer is here. And when that happens, they leave. Most beginner editors are terrified of stillness because stillness feels like failure. But stillness is only boring when there is no question attached to it. This is what most edits do when nothing is happening. They start adding things. Cuts every second, zoom to simulate movement, and music to create emotion, even when there isn't any yet. Okay, look at this sequence. They add B-rolls just to avoid sitting on a single shot because staying here feels uncomfortable. So the edit speeds up, it fills the space and tries to manufacture attention. Now let's watch it once more. This feels active, but nothing is actually happening. This version isn't confident. It doesn't trust the moment, so it tries to fix it with more cuts and more movement. But none of that creates attention. Rather, it hides the absence of it. This is what most editors do. When they don't know what the viewer is supposed to feel, they decorate the moment instead of defining it. So what's actually happening here? Nothing is changing visually and nothing is escalating, but something is still moving, and it's not the video. As long as the viewer is asking something, the video moves. And movement in a video is psychological and not visual. Let me show you what just happened to you. Right here, you were waiting for me to prove something. And here, you expected a shift. So you almost clicked off. Not because nothing happened, but because you weren't sure if anything would. Attention doesn't come from events, it comes from anticipation. Nothing is happening externally, but internally, you are tracking something, waiting for confirmation and meaning. And that's the job of an edit. Not to add things, but to guide expectation. Most editors will never try this because you can't hide behind technique and you can't save it with speed. You either understand attention or you decorate confusion. Nothing is going to happen in this video, and that's the point. Like and subscribe. My name is Law, and see you in the next video.